In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Kit account. Now, before we actually talk about deleting anything, there's one really important piece that most people want to do first, and that's making sure they have a basic landing page set up in Kit, which you might know by its former name, ConvertKit. So in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you the absolute minimum steps to create a working landing page that you can use to collect subscribers or share with your audience. First, log into your Kit account and look at the top navigation bar. Up there, you'll see an option labeled Grow. Go ahead and click on Grow, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where Kit keeps all of your opt-in forms and landing pages, so anytime you want to create or edit one, this is where you'll come back. Once you're on the Landing Pages and Forms screen, look for the Create New button. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Click Create New, and Kit will ask what you want to make. For this video, we only need a simple landing page, so select Landing Page. This tells Kit that you want a standalone page that you can share directly with a link without needing a separate website. Next, you'll see a gallery of landing page templates. These are pre-designed layouts that you can customize later, but to keep things simple, we're just going to choose one and get it live. Hover your mouse over any template that fits your style or needs. When you hover over a template, a Choose button will appear. Click Choose, and Kit will load that template in the editor. At this point, you could spend time customizing text, colors, and images, but if your goal is simply to get a functioning page online as fast as possible, you can skip straight to publishing. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This takes your landing page from draft mode to live on the internet. After you click Publish, a pop-up will appear with a share link. This is the unique URL for your new landing page. Copy that share link and save it somewhere you can easily access, like a document, notes app, or your browser bookmarks. You can now share this link with your audience, add it to your social profiles, or include it in emails. And that's it. With just those few steps, you've created and published a landing page in Kit with the absolute minimum setup required.